Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with Imagine AI Art Text to Image Generator. Discover a world of creativity with Imagine AI Art Generator, a super easy tool that helps you make awesome art without any fuss. It is like having a cool friend who knows all about creating pictures using the magic of technology. Imagine, it takes your ideas and turns them into beautiful images. And the best part, it is as simple as typing what you want, choosing a style, and watching the magic happen. Whether you are just starting to explore art or you are already a pro, Imagine is here to make things fun and exciting. Imagine is like a body that sits right there on your computer, ready to help you create cool art pieces. All you need to do is give it a little prompt, select a style you like, and lo and behold, your ideas come to life. It is a bit like having your own art superhero, but instead of cape, it is all about creativity and imagination. So, if you are curious and want to try something new, Imagine is the way to go. Forget about complicated tools. With Imagine, making art is like playing a game. Just type, choose, and watch your ideas turn into fantastic pictures. It is like having a magical paintbrush in the digital world, ready to bring your imagination to life. Stay tuned until the end to understand how it works. Prior to delving into the tutorial, if you are interested in keeping up to date with the latest AI tools and honing your skills in utilizing them effectively, you are in the correct place. We regularly provide updates and useful insights on integrating AI into modern contexts. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. Now, let us get started with our tutorial. Embarking on your creative journey with Imagine AI Art begins with a visit to its official website. Upon reaching the site, scroll down reveals an array of tools. And for our initial exploration, we will focus on the text-to-image feature. Clicking on these options opens up a text box prompt, serving as our canvas for generating images. Let us put this tool to the test without the need for an account, entering a whimsical prompt like a dog skiing in the snow. We click on Generate to witness the platform's image generating capabilities. However, it becomes evident that to fully unlock and utilize the resource, creating an account is necessary. Fret not, though, as the account creation process is a breeze. Simply click on Sign Up to initiate the journey. Upon choosing the Sign Up option, you are presented with 4 convenient choices. Sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, Discord account, or your email address. For the sake of this illustrative walkthrough, let us delve into the specifics of the Google account sign-in option. Patience becomes your ally as the system processes the request, and almost in the blink of an eye, you gain privileged access to the multifaceted features of this robust and dynamic platform. Now armed with an account, you are ready to explore the myriad possibilities Imagine AI Art has to offer. From transforming text into captivating images to unlocking a realm of creative potential, this platform is your gateway to a world where imagination meets technology. Dive in, experiment, and let your creativity soar as you navigate through the diverse features and tools at your fingertips. Having seamlessly navigated through the login process on Imagine AI Art, the expansive realm of creative possibilities awaits your exploration. Once securely logged in, the user-friendly interface beckons you to make crucial decisions that will directly influence the artistic outcome you envision. Positioned on the right side of the screen is the image editing section, offering a range of options to tailor your visual creations. One notable feature is the ability to adjust the aspect ratio, providing flexibility with choices such as 1 by 1, 9 by 16, 16 by 9, 4 by 3, and 3 by 2. It is worth noting that certain aspect ratios are adorned with crowns, indicating that they are exclusive to users with upgraded Pro accounts. Given the constraints of a free account, let's opt for the 1 by 1 aspect ratio, the sole complementary option available. Moving forward, the platform presents an intriguing array of model choices, encompassing themes like anime, Disney, and SDXL. It is essential to be mindful of the crowns next to certain models, signifying their exclusivity to Pro account holders. As a free user, exploring models without the crown designation becomes the prudent choice. Let us try experimenting with one of these models to discover which best complements your image. The journey continues with the selection of an art style, a pivotal decision that defines the visual aesthetic of your creation. Similar to other text-to-image platforms, Imagine AI Art introduces a negative prompt feature. This feature allows users to communicate to the AI model what elements they wish to exclude from the generated images. This specificity guides the generation process, ensuring that the AI incorporates or avoids certain elements based on the provided text. Delving deeper into customization, the CFG scale option comes into play, allowing you to adjust how closely the generated image aligns with your initial prompt. Higher values bring the image closer to your input but may compromise output quality, limiting the AI's creative freedom. Additionally, the step scale parameter influences output quality, with higher step values promising superior quality at the expense of longer generation times. In essence, the wealth of editing options provided by Imagine AI Art allows you to fine-tune your creative journey, offering a nuanced and customizable approach to digital artistry. As you navigate through these choices, the platform empowers you to strike a delicate balance between creative control and the serendipitous surprises that emerge from the collaboration between your imagination and cutting-edge AI technology. Let us delve into the hands-on aspect of Imagine AI Art by creating a text prompt in the provided text box. Utilizing the previously crafted prompt, a dog skiing in the snow, we eagerly click on the Generate button. Behold, the result is a remarkably realistic image capturing the essence of our imaginative prompt. Should you desire another rendition with the same text prompt, a simple click on the Generate button allows for endless exploration, unveiling various interpretations of your initial idea. Should you find yourself still yearning for a specific image or seeking further refinement, the platform provides an opportunity to edit the text prompt. By fine-tuning the prompt, you enable the AI to better comprehend your vision, offering a more tailored generation process. Clicking on Generate once again reveals a delightful outcome, perhaps even cuter and more aligned with your desired aesthetic. To facilitate a closer inspection or to appreciate the details, you can click on the generated image. For those instances where you wish to enhance the clarity, the platform offers an upscale feature. By clicking the designated button, the image undergoes an enchantment, resulting in a clearer rendition. The contrast becomes apparent, a testament to the versatile tools Imagine AR Art places at your disposal. On achieving satisfaction with the image results, the platform allows for easy downloading. A simple click on the download button adjacent to the desired image initiates the process of saving the masterpiece to your computer. It is important to note that, as observed, every image downloaded bears a watermark. However, upgrading to a Pro account removes this watermark, providing a cleaner and more professional finish to your artistic creations. Now, as we have navigated through the exciting features of Imagine AI Art, the prospect of upgrading to a Pro account might pique your interest. Fear not, as I will guide you through all the details concerning account upgrades in the subsequent exploration of this dynamic and innovative platform. Stay tuned for a comprehensive understanding of the additional benefits and enhanced features that come with a Pro account on Imagine AI Art. Diving deeper into the expansive features of Imagine AI Art, let us embark on a fresh exploration by trying out a different model. This time, let us opt for the intriguing Anime V2. With an eagerness to witness the platform's versatility, we modified the text prompt to a cat swimming in the lake and concurrently experiment with the new art style. Clicking on the Generate button unravels a captivating image, showcasing the distinctive characteristics of the chosen model and art style. The result is undeniably great, capturing the whimsical essence of a cat engaging in an aquatic adventure. But why stop at just one interpretation? Clicking the Generate button once more allows us to unravel more variations of the same prompt. It is a journey into artistic exploration, each click revealing a unique perspective and artistic nuance. Feel free to save any image that resonates with your creative vision, adding to your growing collection of digitally crafted masterpieces. Speaking of saving, Imagine AI Art provides a convenient option to export all images if you happen to adore every iteration generated. However, it is worth noting that this feature is exclusively available for Pro account users. Fear not, if you're on a free account, you can still save these captivating images individually, each one a testament to the harmonious collaboration between your creative input and the AI's interpretive prowess. As we continue this artistic journey, the prospect of unlocking additional features and benefits through a Pro account becomes more enticing. Stay tuned for further insights into the advantages of a Pro account on Imagine AI Art as we explore the enhanced capabilities and added conveniences that come with leveling up your creative experience. Let us now delve into the strategic considerations for Imagine AI Art, examining its available plans. The platform provides users with three distinct options catering to varying needs and preferences. Currently, we are utilizing the free account, which, as evident, comes with certain limitations, including restricted features, watermarks on images, and the absence of commercial license. For those seeking a more comprehensive and feature-rich experience, the standard account emerges as a compelling choice, priced at $79 per year. This plan boasts a plethora of advantages, including access to all styles and models, swift processing times, the removal of watermarks, a commercial license, and even Android accessibility. It is a comprehensive package that caters to both artistic and practical requirements, making it an ideal investment for those who want to fully unlock the potential of Imagine AI Art. On the other hand, the basic account, priced at $59 per year, offers a cost-effective alternative differing from the standard account, only in its inclusion of Android access. Despite this limitation, the basic account provides an impressive array of features, making it an attractive option for users with a slightly more budget-conscious approach. The affordability of Imagine AI Art's yearly plans becomes particularly evident when compared to other platforms in the digital art space. For instance, platforms like Midjourney often charge a monthly fee of $30, making Imagine AI Art's annual rates of $79 and $59 remarkably cost-effective. Investing in a yearly plan not only provides continuous access to a wide range of features, but also delivers substantial savings compared to monthly alternatives. For those who wish to explore Imagine AI Art on a shorter-term basis, weekly plans are also available. The standard weekly plan is priced at $9, while the basic weekly plan is a budget-friendly $7. These short-term plans are excellent for initial exploration and trial, allowing users to assess the platform capabilities without committing to a more extended subscription. Ultimately, whether you opt for the cost-effective yearly plans or the flexibility of weekly subscriptions, Imagine AI Art's pricing structure caters to diverse preferences. The platform's commitment to affordability and accessibility makes it an enticing choice for both budding artists looking to experiment and seasoned creatives seeking a reliable and feature-rich AI art generator. Earlier, we explored additional functionalities available on the platform, such as the Image Remix feature. Engaging with this tool is straightforward. Simply upload an image, proceed by selecting an aspect ratio, and then proceed to crop the image. This facilitates the remixing of our uploaded image according to our desired text prompts. Users can manipulate various parameters including the model selection, artistic style, and even utilize render styles, especially beneficial for sketches like a house. Tweaking negative prompts, adjusting image strength, among other options, allows for a personalized approach in creating the envisioned output. Finally, entering a text prompt like house and clicking on generate swiftly brings our envisioned sketch to life. The ease of transforming sketches into vibrant creations using the render feature within Imagine AI Art is remarkable. This functionality proves particularly useful for professionals in engineering or design fields, empowering them to breathe life into their sketches effortlessly. Moreover, the ability to upscale the image enhances the overall image quality, providing users with an enhanced result. Notably, the platform also offers a night mode option, presenting users with a choice between a light or dark interface. The simplicity of toggling between the modes using the moon icon caters to personal preferences. Personally, the preference for the darker mode is highlighted for its appeal and ease of use. In summary, Imagine AI Art stands out for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Its budget-friendly pricing further solidifies its appeal, offering an affordable AI image generator option. For those seeking a cost-effective yet versatile platform to bring their creative visions to life, Imagine AI Art emerges as a commendable choice. Now that you have a thorough understanding of the platform, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Considering trying it out? Share your feedback on its features in the comments. Your insights are valuable, and I am here to address any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.